Hello. This is just a random video because I'm home alone. It is July 20th, 1:28. I'm really bored. I'm eating goldfish. Ah, look at the fall. Goldfish. I got a haircut. I kind of want it thinner at the bottom though. But, oh well. I'll put more purple in it. And there's some black in here too. Can't really find it. But, tonight, sorry my computer's moving, I'm going to Iron Maiden concert. Oh yeah, I freaking love Iron Maiden. See, look. It says Iron Maiden. Dragon. Yeah. I'm listening to Queensryche because they freaking rule. I now have goldfish all stuck in my teeth. I got a new pet. Let me take my computer over to her. Ugh. Opening the door. Hallway. Going to see my new pet. Can't really see her though. She's a snake. She's in there. I don't know if you can see her. I can see her though. I don't know if the camera can. She's that little lump right there. And she's so pretty. She's a ball python. And here's all her stuff. Oh, I gotta spray her stuff. You get to watch. Her name is Evenstar. Let's spray her some water. So that's her. And she's really pretty. You can't see her though because we just got her, so she has to get used to our house first. So I shouldn't really pick her up for a few more days. Maybe like I'll try and pick her up tomorrow if she comes out. She just kind of stays under her little rock. But she's amazing, and I love her very much. My sister got some hermit crabs. Hermit crabs. She has 3 of them. One of them bit her the other day. Or I pinched her. Haha, I told her that was gonna happen. Walk back to my room. I think Queensryche song is over. Yeah, because this is the sounds now. But I don't want to listen to this song, so I'm gonna change it. Goldfish. AC/DC. Oh yeah. Well, I guess that's it. I don't really have anything interesting to say. So Later.